Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a notification about upcoming sharp curves on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on Settings, tap on Notifications within the General section, that's the third option. Scroll down until you find the Sharp Curves feature that you can enable by tapping on it, and then you will get a notification with a warning sound and the icon on the map to inform you ahead about upcoming sharp curves. So click on it. You can enable this feature by tapping on this button on the right side at the top. You can also set the sound notification, and the sound can be selected by tapping on the sound button. And here you can set when you want to get the notification. So here you can drag the slider to adjust the angle for easy, medium and hard curves. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.